friends, today we will be learning law of diminishing marginal utility. Law of diminishing marginal utility states that as consumer increases the consumption of any one commodity, keeping constant consumption of all other commodities, the marginal utility of variable commodity must eventually decline. So let's understand this law with the help of an example. Let's assume a college girl Anu, she comes home and she is hungry. So she takes an apple and starts consuming it. So first apple will give her great marginal utility of 15 units. Next, when she would take second apple, obviously her hunger should have decreased. So she will derive lesser utility from second apple. She will derive 10 units of marginal utility from second apple. And third apple will give her much more lesser marginal utility of 5 units. And if she continues to take fourth apple, her marginal utility will be of 0 units. And fifth apple will give her negative marginal utility of minus 5 units. Now when we look at total utility, it is 15 units for first apple and 25 units for second apple. So 15 units of total utility plus 10 units of marginal utility gives us 25 units of total utility. So for the third apple, it is 30 units of total utility, and for the fourth apple, it is the same 30 units of total utility, and for the fifth apple, it is 25 units. Now when we represent this table on a graph, what we observe is as marginal utility kept declining, the total utility kept increasing. When marginal utility became 0 for fourth apple, the total utility became constant. That is, it didn't increase or decrease anymore. It remained same 30 units. Next, after that, when marginal utility started becoming negative, the total utility started declining and fell to 25 units. So here what we have observed mainly is when total utility kept decreasing, marginal utility kept increasing. When marginal utility became 0, the total utility became constant. It didn't increase or decrease anymore, it remained the same. Next, after that, when marginal utility became negative, the total utility started declining. So here the law has clearly told us as consumer, it means our consumer Anu kept increasing the consumption of any one commodity. That commodity is apple. So her marginal utility kept declining. Thank you.